Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're hopefully going to be finishing up this 2018 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. And I already got all the parts in, so let's go ahead and get straight to work. Alright, so we got a brand new, or a used cowl inner fairing. We got a front faceplate part for it, color match. "12" handlebars. We got ourselves a new speaker pod and also a few other little things. Here's the box also. I went ahead and got new color matched bags for it. I got a set of those. I also got a brand new color matched front fairing. There's those bags and there's the rest of the parts. Let's go ahead and put them on. Alright guys, so I went ahead, I got this front fairing, I got everything swapped over to it, so let's go ahead and get it installed. Alright guys, so it's coming together here, and now I'm going to go ahead, get the turn signals on, get the rest of the bolts bolted up for the cowl up here, and then hopefully the front cover will be ready to go on. Alright guys, so I went ahead, I got that front fairing on and it's looking 100 times better. Bike looks awesome. Definitely gonna need a good buff on the fuel tank so it matches. The fender and the rear fender are all gonna have to get buffed. But let's go ahead and get the rest of the bike together and go get inspection passed on it. Alright guys, so the bike is all together. Let's go ahead and get this thing loaded on the trailer and take it into inspection. Well, alright guys, so we made it back from inspection. I did get the area cleaned up and the bike is looking great, but still got to go ahead and get the new saddlebags on and get everything buttoned up. So let's go ahead and take the seat off the saddlebags and give it a good clean, and then go ahead and put the rest of the new parts on, and hopefully we can take it out for a spin. So everything's taken apart in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll it outside and get it all pressure washed. There's all that nasty road grime everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it rolled outside, wash it, and bring it back inside. Alright guys, so that's basically everything for the bike. It's looking great. The fairing and bags don't match 100%, but that's because that's new paint. And that's old paint, it's just faded. We'll need a good buff. But it's definitely looking a lot better. It does have the chrome here instead of the white, which maybe I'll get that pulled off and repaint it. But hopefully that's all this bike needs. And definitely gonna need to get a good buff on that rear fender and gas tank, because it's definitely not matching up the best. But definitely looks great. I actually have one more part, and it's this bar. I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed, and let's go ahead and take this thing for a rip. Alright guys, so it's getting laid out, but the Harley's complete. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I probably didn't get a good video of the Harley riding, but I just didn't have a good mount or a GoPro. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and don't miss out on the next one.